Does your downloads folder look like a war zone? Mine do. Let's clean this up instantly using Python, without lifting a finger. First, make sure you have Python installed from python.org. It is completely free and takes 2 minutes. Make sure you have the Python extension installed. Now, let's look at the magic. Here is the script. We use the standard OS and shutil libraries, so no extra downloads needed. I map file types like images and documents to specific folders. The script loops through every file, checks its extension, and prepares to move it. Now for the satisfying part. Watch the folder on the left. I hit run and boom. Done. It created the folders automatically. Let's check inside. Documents, clean. Images, sorted. Setup files, moved. It took less than a second to organize months of digital clutter. To use this forever, just save the code as organizer.py on your desktop. Now, whenever your files get messy, just double-click it, and you are done. Don't want to type the code? I put the download link in the description. Subscribe for more lazy automation tips.